This is my 2006 Fadal 4020 HT milling center. It has a chip conveyor with the coolant tank built into it. It's a really nice feature. This machine is in excellent condition. Has a Renishaw tool probe, or I should say tool setter. I cleaned it all up for sale. I took the way cover off here and cleaned all the chips out of the ball screw, and I just kind of left it off so you guys could see it. Here it is right here. That's the cover, so the cover's there. I just cleaned it and haven't put it back on yet. Controls are in great condition. Nothing's broken or busted or anything like that. Everything works exactly like it should. Has a nice bright light inside. You can turn it off and on, it actually works. Walk you around it here. It's a really clean, well-maintained machine. Has a Rs232 port right here. Here's the info on it. It has this rail right here that we didn't use. It's just for air, so that you could put plug air in, air hose into the front. We just cut it off because we don't use that. We got plenty of air running here on the wall. So this is a Henning chip conveyor. Really nice chip conveyor. The machine is in great condition. It's never been repainted or touched up. This is original condition. The doors are in good condition. Nothing wrong with those. They could probably use just buffed out. I don't really care about it, but somebody might. So what we did was clamp those two together, the door sensor, so you can run it with the door open. All right, let me run it through some paces for you here. M03 speed 1000. Nice and quiet. Got the air through the spindle, keep all the chips and stuff blowing out of there. Go M03 speed, let's go 3000. Bump it up there. And it'll kick itself into high gear. Super nice, smooth. Nothing wrong with that. See, M03 speed, let's go 5000. Jumps right up there. Goes up to 10,000 RPMs. Super nice machine. And that. Let's do a tool change here. Tool 1, enter. Works exactly like it should. 06, tool 8. Nice and smooth, no problems. Let me jog the axis around for you. Nice and smooth. No noises at all. You can't even hear it. No problems. Let's do the y-axis. Same thing. Nice and smooth. No sounds at all. You can't hear it at all. This machine is very well maintained. X. Same thing. No problems. Has a Renishaw tool probe. I broke the little piece that sticks up there, but that can be ordered from Renishaw. I might actually order it myself if I get to using this machine again. Right now I'm trying to sell it. I actually have another one down there for sale if you're interested, if it's still up at the time of this sale. I got to clean that one, it's kind of dirty, but that's also a Fadal 4020, 10,000 RPM. So that's about it for this machine. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. My number is 502-418-2549. My name's Randy. I have a bunch of other equipment here for sale. Don't hesitate to contact me about it. I've got a lot of stuff coming in. I've got another Fadal coming in this week and a couple more lathes coming in. Thanks for looking.